In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use SaneBox Snooze folders to defer mail and set a return time. This feature can be incredibly useful for managing your email overload by allowing you to temporarily set aside emails and have them returned to your inbox when you're ready to deal with them. Let's dive right in and walk you through the step-by-step process. First, open your preferred web browser and type SaneBox into the search bar. You'll want to look for the first link in the search results, or better yet, find the URL that reads sanebox.com and give that a click. Once you're on the SaneBox website, you'll need to log in to access your account. Simply enter your login details and you'll be directed to your personal dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Folders and Features or Folders section. This is where all the magic happens with SaneBox and where you can manage your various folder settings. Scroll down this page until you find the section labeled Snooze Folders. This section is precisely where you'll be creating new folders for your email snoozing needs. You should see a Create button within the Snooze Folders area. Click on this button to start setting up your new Snooze folder. Naming this folder is your next task. Consider using a name that begins with @snooze or @snz, as SaneBox recommends. This kind of naming convention will ensure your snooze folders appear at the top of your email client's folder list, making them easy to find and manage. For example, you could name it @snooze_next_Tuesday, @snooze3 p.m., or perhaps @snooze_next_Q, depending on when exactly you'd like your emails to return. After you've decided on a name, it's time to choose the duration. This is how long you'd like the emails to stay in this folder before they make their way back to your inbox. Whether you want to set it for a few hours or several weeks, or even select a specific date and time, SaneBox gives you the flexibility to manage your emails according to your schedule. Once you've chosen a name and set the desired duration, go ahead and click Create to finalize this process. The new folder will soon appear in your email client, ready to help you work more efficiently. Now let's talk about how to use your newly created snooze folders. Open your email client, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or another, and drag the email you want to defer into the SaneBox Snooze folder you just set up. This will temporarily remove the email from your main inbox, keeping it out of sight and out of mind until the appointed time. When the specified time or date arrives, SaneBox will automatically move the email back into your main inbox, or place it right at the top, depending on your settings. This allows you to focus on what's most important and get back to emails when you deem it necessary. And there you have it. You've just set up and learned how to use SaneBox Snooze folders to take control of your inbox. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.